Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, meron akong parcel na dumating today, which is delivered by Shopee Express. I ordered this on Shopee. So ito siya, and this is my first time to order a milk cotton yarn. So we're gonna unbox this thing and let's find out what milk cotton yarns are. So I hope you watch and stay until the end of this video. Alright, so as always, kailangan lagi nating i-check yung item. Mas maganda videohan nyo para just in case na merong missing items, madali nyong mapapalit dun sa seller. Yun ang evidence nila kung ang buyer ay talagang nagsasabi ng totoo. Which is, of course, should be that way para naman fair sa lahat. Kasi syempre marami din namang mga buyer. So, mahirap i-pinpoint nga kung sino nagsasabi ng totoo. Unless, of course, meron tayong maipapakitang proof sa kanila. Here it is. Medyo malalaki sila. Ayan o. Siguro kasi laki nila yung mga red heart na yarn na worth 250. So, I think this is the most affordable milk cotton that I found on Shopee. Ayan. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 pieces. So, I have 9 pieces in total. Okay, so looking at the label closely, it says Dior, Handicrafter. Yan, hindi ko alam yung ibang language nito. Alright, so when you take a look at the description doon sa binilhan ko sa Shopee, ang sabi lang dito is yung yarn count niya is 8 ply. Ang weight is 100 gram per piece or per skein. Ang yarn diameter is about 3 mm or 0.12 inch. So, it doesn't say yung exact hook na gagamitin for this. Kapag sinabing 8 ply, it means yung 8 strands siya na naka-twist. I don't have much information besides dun sa description na nakalagay sa Shopee, dun sa seller. So, if you want to know the yarn weight, you can just make a DIY wraps per inch tool. So, ito, 1 inches ang space niya dapat. And then, you're gonna wrap the yarn around. So, make sure na hindi siya overlapping and also not stretching. So, I have about 7 wraps per inch. Kapag nasa 7 siya, it's a bulky yarn. Nasa category siya ng, ayan, number 5. Sa chunky, bulky weight. Siya na category, which is number 5. Ang recommended hook size niya ay 5.5 to 8 mm. So, soft naman siya. Hindi siya naghihimol-mol. Unlike, of course, yung mga local yarns natin. So, let's say you want a tight tension, I suggest na you'd go for 5.5. Pero kung nararamdaman nyo na sumasabit yung hook sa 5.5, medyo lakihan nyo yung crochet hook. Mga 6mm, ganon. Pag napapansin nyo namang airy siya or bagsak masyado or maraming gaps, you can go back to 5.5 or maybe even 5 kung hanggat hindi mahirap ipasok sa loops. Kasi mararamdaman nyo naman na hindi siya compatible pag sumasabit siya. And of course, pag sobra naman laki ng hook, makikita nyo yung chain na ginagawa nyo, maluluwang siya. So, yun lang ang trick doon. This is great for making blankets and also some other garments. Yung mga ginagawa ngayon ng mga fellow crocheters natin, kasi usually nahihilig sila sa mga crop tops, ganon, made of cotton kasi presko siya. And also bucket hats or beanies. Yun. So, presko yung mga gantong klaseng yarn na made of, anything na made of cotton, great for wearables talaga. Kasi, presko sila. And, di ba, pagdating nga sa damit natin, cotton din na ginagamit natin. Simply because they're very comfortable to use. Maybe in my next videos, I will show you yung mga projects na magagawa ko out of these. So far, bumili lang ako ng konti just to experience kung ano nga ba tong klaseng yarn na to. This is the first time that I have bought a milk cotton yarn. Have 2 colors of this, 2 of these, and then brown, choco brown. I have 2, and then I have orange, royal blue. At ang gusto ko pa dito sa milk cotton yarns na to, 100 grams siya per skein. So, meaning, if you're making big projects, malaki siya. Kasi laki siya nung red heart. Yung texture niya, of course, it's not a premium yarn. So, it's not as soft as, you know, premium yarns like yung love yarn ng red heart. But it's the cheapest or most affordable milk cotton yarns na makikita nyo online. When it's Shopee Payday Sale, marami kayong mga ma-avail na items na no minimum spend. So, yun ang maganda sa Shopee. That's why I love Shopee. I love ordering things on Shopee ever since. Kahit yung mga pinapakita ko sa inyo, mga crochet hooks or any yarns, almost all of them nabili ko free shipping. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, this short video, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a nice day!